Cardo, communication in motion. Introducing the ORV Packtalk Edgephones by Cardo Systems. A whole new way to communicate off-road.
What up, guys? You ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
Let's go.
Experience the freedom to roam, untethered and unmatched in a splash-proof design. Connect in the vehicle or vehicle to vehicle with an open line of communication through wireless hands-free intercom.
Ooh.
I was gone.
Yeah, run that back.
You got him. You got him.
Customize and capture your ride through the Cardo Connect app. Listen to music, chats, instructions, all through JBL speakers. Going off the grid but want to stay connected? No cell coverage is needed to keep the conversation going.
Thumbs up.
Ready.
It looks sick from across the lake.
We needed that little cooldown, huh?
Experience all of these features and more with Cardo Packtalk Edgephones. Cardo, communication in motion.